In 2020, as the world came to a halt, a group of heroes in white coats from San Francisco Chinese Hospital stood at the forefront.
It was like 3 a.m, something happened, the nurse would call us, we would have to answer, so it was really hard.
Really no one knew anything about COVID-19. Our CEO did an amazing job. Dr. Jen Zhang did an amazing job of securing PPE for us.
San Francisco's Chinatown, one of the densest neighborhoods in the U.S., faced a unique threat during the pandemic. With families living in close quarters, social distancing was nearly impossible.
We didn't expect people to come to Chinese Hospital to get testing. We actually Chinese Hospital brought testing literally to the streets outside of this building.
Throughout the pandemic, Chinese Hospital conducted over 40,000 tests and took significant action in the Chinatown SROs, distributing more than 210 testing kits and administering over 56,000 vaccines by the end of December 2020.
Because we're community hospitals here, we're here for the community, then we did that.
The early 1900s brought the bubonic plague to San Francisco's shores, igniting fears and leading to a quarantine of Chinatown.
And when the judge saw the line that they quarantined Chinatown is all zigzag, and it's not straight line, and all the zigzag goes to the white people. And so the judge say, this is discrimination, obviously.
The outbreak of the bubonic plague was a pivotal moment that highlighted the indispensable role of the Donghua dispensary, which later evolved into the Chinese hospital.
So history sadly repeated itself, but the difference is that now during COVID pandemic, we are stronger as a community.
This unity and resilience set the stage for a groundbreaking initiative in the early 1980s. As healthcare faced new challenges, Chinese Hospital embarked on an innovative journey that would redefine community-based healthcare.
What is the tripartite? In healthcare, there are 3 things most important: insurance, the doctors, and the hospital.
This integration aimed to ensure that all 3 components work together to reduce patients' cost. 2024 marks a significant milestone for Chinese Hospital as it celebrates its 125th anniversary. In addition to the commitment to delivering the best possible services, Chinese Hospital is dedicated to updating its facilities and technologies. Their efforts have been recognized nationally as well.
A lot of new technologies was built in. For example, and we can turn the entire floor into negative pressure.
In 2016, the patient tower replaced the original hospital, equipped with advanced medical facility. The new patient tower boasts 88 beds, a state-of-the-art diagnostic imaging department, cardiopulmonary outpatient services, 4 surgical suites, all private ICU beds, and a telemetry unit. Additionally, the new building houses East-West Medicine Services, a pharmacy.
We're still building other specialty care with UCSF so we can better serve our community. And we greatly appreciate Assemblyman 15 for advocating the $10 million to support Chinese Hospital and to renovate the 79 building so we can build the subacute unit too.
For over 125 years, Chinese Hospital has stood as a beacon of hope. In the faces of its caregivers, the stories of its patients, and the legacy of its founders, we find a profound narrative of cultural strength, communal support, and healthcare that transcends barriers. This documentary, while capturing a moment in time, speaks to the timeless value that Chinese Hospital embodies, ensuring that its legacy will continue to inspire and heal for generations to come.
You want to take care of people, and that's why you go into this.
It's important for us to prioritize investments in healthcare infrastructure and healthcare staffing.
我希望將來佢哋會喺呢一種精神發揚。
我希望其他個家庭可以享受到你哋個服務咯。
We don't have to be big, but we have to have the quality. And we have to have something that all the Chinese are very proud to use.
Jen, the CEO, does a wonderful job as a good leader. So 我會繼續支持呢個東華醫院。
Went through up and downs. It has been really rocky, right, for Chinese hospital to be still here today.
If there's one thing the pandemic taught us, it is the importance of Chinese hospital. And we must remember that lesson and make sure that this hospital and its various outpatient facilities not only survives and gets by, but thrives.